welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. So today's video is going to be a little bit different as it will not be a makeup tutorial. Instead, I will be doing an unboxing of my beauty subscription. So I am subscribed to the Lookfantastic 12-month beauty box subscription, and that costs me about £13 a month, and today I will be unboxing with you everything I've received in the January box. So this is the January's box. It's in like a greenish packaging and the theme of the month is wellness. So let's unbox and see what goodies we have in here. In this box we have 6 products and let's go through them. So the first product we have is a lavender tea body wash. Next we have like a lip plump. It's by Chemist and it is this rose quartz lip plump. And there we have a mineral conditioner by AHAVA. We have some age-defying hand cream. The next item we have is a deep sleep pillow spray. Actually excited to try this. And finally we have this cream by Polaar. The beauty box also comes with like an edit magazine, and inside the magazine it tells you what products you will be receiving. These are the products that we'll be receiving, so you get 4 products plus 2 mystery products. Now looking back at my box, the 2 mystery products I received was this lavender tea body wash and this Polaar cream. The leaflet also includes like an editor's note, and there's some pages on like wellness, beauty, sleep, and just a little preview of things that are coming up. So guys, this brings me to the end of the tutorial as we have unboxed everything that has come in my Lookfantastic beauty box. If you guys are considering to subscribe to this box, then I will add the link in the description box below. Please do check it out. It is literally a great way of trying out new products without having to break the bank. Let me just show you for the final time everything I've received. It's all in here. I do look forward to trying all these products out, and if I really like them then I will definitely be making purchases. And yeah, thank you so much for unboxing with me. I will definitely be doing more tutorials and showing you all the products I've received from all my future boxes. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification button to know every time I have uploaded a new tutorial. Take care for now. I shall see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!